Let me speak to a sergeant. Let me get a sergeant out
That's
here.
not how this works. Okay?
I need to speak to a sergeant, sir.
That's not how this
Sir,
works.
I need to speak to a supervisor. And what's your name?
Welcome back to the channel. Today's video takes place in Nashville, where a man was pulled over not by a patrol car, but because a police helicopter claimed he was driving at excessive speed. No radar, no concrete evidence, just the word of the eye in the sky. Now, watch how this man calmly stands his ground, demanding that the officers articulate the actual crime they're accusing him of, leaving them visibly unsure of what to say. But before we get started, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts on this encounter.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Hey, you what's up? What's going on? How may I help you?
Hey,
Who are you? What's your name?
my name's
Who do you work for?
Nice to meet you, man. Hey, I'm just been in contact with you because I guess the helicopter had you drive at excessive speeds. Do you have your driver's license on you? 11 Adam. I'll be with that vehicle at the Easy Mile Clarksville, David Hall 09900. How's your day going so far?
Am I detained? Am I free to go, sir?
No, you're not free to go.
So I'm detained. What am I detained for, sir?
For your speed.
For my speed. How fast was I going, sir?
I can ask the helicopter.
How fast was I going, sir? All right, y'all. Look, I'm detained. I'm detained for supposedly speeding from a helicopter, y'all. From a helicopter, not a police cruiser.
How you doing?
So what crime you suspect me of committing, sir?
It's just speed, man. I already explained it to you. It's no big deal.
So you suspect me of speeding. Okay, how fast was I going once again, sir? You still ain't told me. I already asked you. I could have sworn it was a couple seconds ago, at least
Hey,
a
look,
minute ago.
I'm not trying to write you a ticket or
How fast
anything
was
like
I?
that, but
How fast was I
there's still
going?
a possibility of that, okay?
Okay, well, it's a
We
possibility.
need your
It's a possibility. You need to articulate the crime you suspect me of committing. You need to let me know.
can.
Okay, well, articulate it then, sir. Until then, I'm not going to answer any questions. All right, I plead the fifth.
Okay, well, we need your driver's license to write you to take that
I
test.
need you to articulate the crime you suspect me of committing. First off, sir, you need to articulate this. Can you articulate that for me?
We can in a police report if
Okay.
you like.
If you can give me if you can articulate that crime. If not, I need to speak to a supervisor because none of y'all have stripes on y'all shirt. And what's your name?
Which vehicle are you out with? Like vehicle description?
Hey, look, I'm not here to ruin your day, man. I just need your driver's license, okay, due to the speeding, all right? If you have your registration and insurance, we need that as well, all right?
Articulate the crime you suspect me of committing, sir. Articulate that.
It's articulated
You
already.
have not articulated that. How fast was I going, sir? Once again, you have not told me that. All right, you need to tell me.
With all due respect,
How
man,
fast was I
I've been
going?
doing this for 10 years. It's not how it works. I need your driver's license.
Okay, so you're gonna. Okay, so you're telling me that I was speeding, correct?
Yes.
How fast was I going?
We can answer that for you, but I need your information.
Let me speak to a sergeant. Let me get a sergeant out
That's not
here.
how this works,
I
okay?
need to speak to a sergeant, sir.
That's not how this
Sir,
works.
I need to speak to a supervisor. And what's your name?
So this is what we have.
I need to speak to a supervisor until someone can tell me, because the only thing I'm hearing is he saying, because he's just telling me that supposedly a helicopter, I guess, tracked me speeding or something. Okay, so how fast was I going, sir? Did the helicopter tell you, or did they not
If you need a
articulate that to
police
you?
report, we can put all that in the police
Did
report.
the
but right now,
did the helicopter articulate that to you? If not, I need to speak to your supervisor, sir.
the supervisor's going to tell you the same thing.
Can I speak to a supervisor, please? Thank you. If I can speak to a supervisor, I'd greatly appreciate that. Until then, man, I plead the fifth, sir.
Well, he's not. You want to have somebody stand by with this guy while we walk away? So he doesn't start.
Man, dude, I'm not about to go nowhere, bro. That's one thing about it. I'll never run.
That's okay.
Yeah, I can walk over here if y'all want me to.
No,
Yeah.
you can stay right where you're at.
Okay. You should. They should have told you who I was when you ran my tag, when you gave them my tag. They should have told you.
I don't know what that means, but
What I'm saying, they should have told you who I am.
who are you?
I don't know. They should have told you. They didn't tell me. That's a corporal.
Yeah, it's for
Okay, how fast was I going? And you're a corporal. What's
You
your
said
name?
you were going 70 over the bridge from Clarksville to Rosa.
I didn't even go over Clarksville to Rosa. What are you
We
talking
got
about?
you on Air 1.
Okay, all
This
right.
is the
Okay,
traffic
okay,
stop for your
cool.
driving.
Okay, cool.
So we're gonna need your
All right,
driver's
all right, well,
license.
look, is that under a threat of duress?
If you don't give us your
Is that
license,
under
you're
a
going
threat
to
of
go to
duress?
jail.
Is that under a threat of arrest?
Yeah. No,
Okay.
you're not under arrest.
I
You're
said, is
just a
that under a
traffic
threat?
stop.
Is that under a threat of arrest?
For your driving behavior, yeah. We're gonna
So
need
I'm
your
saying
ID.
y'all threatened me for my license. If not, I'm
If we
going to get
don't
arrested,
get your
right?
license, you're going to jail, correct?
Okay, gotcha. So under a threat of duress, I'm going to hand over my
All right,
license,
fine.
right? Cool. As a matter of fact, I don't even want to get to it. I give you my name, Timothy Ward, or I give you my license number,
You have to
109.
get your license. You can get a ticket for not having your license on your person.
109 47.
You don't have your license on your person?
109
Do you not have it on your person? Because you can get a ticket for that too.
Timothy Ward.
All right, man.
Timothy Ward,
Give me a
109
sec.
49.
They got video of it. They were recording.
The name?
Timothy Ward.
How you spell that?
Timothy Ward, sir.
How do you spell Timothy Ward?
Sir, normal spelling, sir. Timothy Ward.
What's
sir.
your birthday?
My license number is 109 47 94 11, sir.
All right.
Is it a manual?
Sorry?
Manual or automatic? Automatic.
Automatic.
The helicopter's right there. So if you can corroborate our story. So,
Okay.
they recorded it all. They're the ones that notified us about it. So
We're audio and video recording everything as well.
Gotcha.
Before I got out of the car, so.
that's why we are here.
So I also will be able to FOIA request a video of the. Okay, I'll just make sure I'll be able to FOIA request that as
The
well.
helicopter has a clear camera that can track you.
Right.
The speeds, obviously. So
Yeah.
they said that they observed you passing cars in the turn lanes.
Gotcha.
And it's all on video. So
Gotcha.
that's what we're here for.
So since I'm recording, why did he say something about recording? I can't record.
No, you can record.
Oh, okay, just making sure.
We were asking about the helicopter report.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm a FOIA request that, so I'd like to see it.
Somebody for a photo for A123 David. The vehicle off base. Turn vehicle took off from different cover stops. We have black Kia Stinger tag.
Do you have any questions? I know this is probably.
Oh, no, I ain't got no questions.
Okay.
I know how to do it. I know how to go back. Once again, just a little recap, man. Just came back to Nashville, man, and supposedly a helicopter tracked me speeding and supposedly going in turn lanes and other stuff like that. So while I was getting gas, this officer came up and told me about it. So and it couldn't have been another black car either, huh?
It was the convertible with the red shirt on. That's what the helicopter gave us.
You drove by me on Clarksville going this way at a high rate of speed.
On Clarksville?
They
Oh,
were
Clarksville
watching-
Pike.
They were
Gotcha.
putting this out way back there.
Gotcha.
Where we. So the helicopter identified you with a red shirt on,
Gotcha.
with the top down. And they said you pulled into pump number 3 or whatever it says.
Gotcha.
We didn't just make it up, man. I promise. The helicopter's up there. So
Yeah.
The cameras are very, very high def, to say the least.
It's right there.
Very high def.
Watch this video.
Yeah, I got that on camera too. So
Hey, Dean. All right.
Sure, we're on that 93 in Clarksville and
sorry, I ain't recording that. I'm up at this recording just to record down for this. Man, I should have kept going home, man. I'm under arrest. I'm under arrest.
No,
Oh,
you're-
okay.
We're still on a traffic stop. Do you
Oh,
have
okay.
you have a proof of insurance for us?
I'll take it to court if I gotta go. I'll just take
You
it
don't
to
have
court.
proof of insurance?
I got it, but it's on my phone, so.
That's fine. You can.
Well, I'm recording,
That's,
so.
Look, we're all recording. It's fine. You can
Yeah,
record.
but if I stop, then, you know, it's
Okay.
people say, oh, you edit the video. I don't,
Okay.
you know.
All right. You don't want to show us proof of insurance?
I got it. I'll just bring it to court.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I got it. Y'all should be able to look it up, right? It should show up. It don't.
Registration, your license,
It don't show up.
and your insurance on your person and your vehicle. Can you show me those three things?
Well, I have my insurance on my phone.
That's fine.
But
Can you
I
show it to me?
can't. I can't because I'm recording, so I can't.
We're
I'm not
also
ready.
recording.
You can keep the recording up if you. Usually,
I don't
if
think
you
you
slide up,
can.
it'll open up a different window.
And that's how it all went down, a simple traffic stop that turned into a lesson on knowing your rights. Despite the intimidation and confusion, this driver stayed calm, kept recording, and refused to be bullied without a clear explanation of what he supposedly did wrong. Remember, the camera is your best witness, and exercising your rights respectfully is never a crime. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more First Amendment and accountability content, and drop a comment below. Do you think the officers had enough probable cause to detain him based only on the helicopter's word? Let's talk about it.